What I wish I knew about the 2025 NBA playoffs before the madness begins. Let's dive in. The 2025 NBA playoff picture is heating up. In the Western Conference, Oklahoma City Thunder sits at the top with MVP candidate Shai Gilgeous-Alexander leading the charge, but watch out for the Houston Rockets and their rising stars. Over in the East, the Cleveland Cavaliers are dominating thanks to their stellar defense. The Boston Celtics are right behind them, clinching their playoff berth early. And don't sleep on the Detroit Pistons. Cade Cunningham is having a career season. The play-in tournament? It's gonna be wild. Teams like the Atlanta Hawks and the Orlando Magic are fighting for their playoff lives. Mark your calendars. Regular season ends April 13th. Playoffs start April 19th. Who will make the most noise? Stay tuned, NBA fans. This postseason is gonna be epic.